The one thing that can change your life, turn your dreams into reality, and make impossible possible. In today's fast-moving world, we all have big dreams. We want success, happiness, and a bright future. But the biggest challenge we face is not lack of talent or opportunity. The real challenge is distraction. One notification, one comparison, and one negative thought. And suddenly your mind moves away from our goals. Focus gives us direction to our efforts. Without focus, even hard work gets distracted. But with focus, even small steps become powerful. Focus does not mean ignoring happiness or fun. It means balancing life. It means enjoying the present. We focus, we stop comparing and start improving. We stop doubting and start believing in ourselves. So today, let us promise ourselves that we will not allow distraction to control our dreams. We will stay strong, stay positive, and keep believing in ourselves. To stay focused on your goal, let your determination ignite because a focused mind can turn every challenge into light. Thank you.